Mm. Good morning, guys. I'm live with Makori. So, guys, we are on the last day of installing the curtains. So today we are going to pick the curtain from the market. I have just measured the length of these windows. So we are going to pick the curtains, and then we are coming back to fix it. But before that, guys, I just want to introduce you one and only Royal Kim.
Guys, my name is Royal Kim, and the Kim is KHWM. Makori, thank you, man, for helping me with this project. You did the first video,
Yes.
and we shared it actually.
Yeah.
And I'll also tell people on my side to keep supporting it. And today you're doing part 2 of the curtains.
Yeah.
Now we're going to the market. Go and look for better curtains.
Curtains.
And then we fix the length and the height and everything, and then we come back to finish up with the project.
Yeah.
So guys, stay tuned. Like the video before you even do anything else. Please comment so that this video can get recommendation. And guys, come along with us. We'll keep you tagged. So let's go.
Go, guys. Yeah, and this is our driver. Yeah. This is Masubo the driver. Yeah. So guys, we are heading out. Let me wait for the boss. It's the boss.
Hey guys, we are going. Makori uzito hapa.
Katikati.
Put all the weight in the
Yeah, so that we can balance. Yeah, that is it. We are off to go, guys.
You've been shattered, you've been broken down. Heart is beating, still won't make a sound. It feels like an angel straight from heaven, just like my lucky number 7. You're my shooting star. We're running round in circles. Love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing. I will always hold you down. Your heart will be kept safe.
So guys, we are here. We have just sent this type of colors, and I see Royal Kim.
Yes, bro.
This one is like it is different.
Actually, this one is different. No, it's the inside.
It is the inside.
Guys, to be honest, it's hard to make a decision, but with Makori we are choosing this one because it's the color for our varnish.
Yeah.
And we think it can blend well at the wall, giving a taste of a homely color to the wall. Because the other colors, look at them. It's a lot of them, and others are very expensive.
And
get for 2 windows.
Yeah.
This is the only one we can get for 2 windows.
And it is uniform.
Go to the confirm. I think confirm the length.
Hiyo.
2 can go from.
Hizo ziko sawa kabisa. Ziko sawa sana. So guys, we have finished from the market.
Yeah. And the Pico is here.
Yeah, guys. So we are going to finish installing this curtain, guys.
Yes.
So stay tuned. And watch this to the end. Remember, guys, to subscribe.
Even the Kim is KHWM.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. So guys, we have arrived from Sirare, and now I want to show you on how we are fixing this. I've just fixed one part, and then I want to show you as I continue from there going to the next side. So stay tuned, guys. These are the curtain. So guys, you can look at this. This is how now it is becoming. So we have to fix it well. So guys, this is what we have done. I don't know, please you can give us a comment from the comment section. So this is a part of it. So it still looks like it is coming this way, so I have to raise the other side a little bit higher. So guys, look at this. What do you think about this in the comment section? What did I use? Is it good? So stay tuned, guys. I'm going now to fix the second from this other side. It's really simple, guys. Remember, it has this ribbon here inside that goes straight to this part here. So our metal is running inside, right? So this is what we are gonna do. Yeah, this is it. These are the curtains. It's really simple, guys. You can also use this type of metal. It is really durable. It's not just like the original one, the one that you buy. We call it imported one because those things we don't make them here in Kenya. So it is an imported one. It is not such durable like this. This one is more durable than that. So guys, this is how it looks like now from here. So you can see when we open, this is how it will look like going outside. What do you think about this, guys? I don't know what you think about this. So guys, we are done. Look at there. Now it is very okay. So this is the end of the cabin installation. So stay tuned. Let's open this side. Let us see how it looks like. How it looks like. Now I want to look at how things looks like. This is how now it looks like. So please, guys, I want you to comment on the comment section and tell me what do you think about the job that we have done here. So yeah, so this side here, I chose this, but because we went for second hand, we could not find a good color this way, but with one uniform, because we wanted this side and the other side to be uniform. So we only found this, and we went to where we went to make them, so that we cut them out, we made until it came this way out. So guys, please drop your comment section, and please remember supporting life with Makori. Take me to 2,000 subscribers. Thank you. And for my new subscribers, you are most welcome. Feel free, feel at home. Please drop your comment about this, guys. We are all united here. Please try. We are trying to develop this channel. Be a big one in the future. So guys, thank you so much, and God bless you as we continue this day. This is the only job of today. I'll continue with many more other jobs. And also here I have a friend of mine, the guy, the carpenter, and he's going to make my bed also. After I finish his bed, he's going to make mine the same way. So stay tuned, guys. Then we will come. Jose.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm well, very fine.
Today.
Today is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What am I doing?
You are the rendering.
Yeah?
You are the rendering.
Serious? What's up, guys? This is your boy. I am _Scosia. We are just come live from Royal Farm, Sunrise.
Yeah.
Guys, it's another day, a blessed day. Thank mighty God. Actually, for years granted us with this beautiful day, and we are still going on with our customization of this actually multimillion bed, and we're almost there. We are almost there. I think today it might be the final day of doing this, guys. And we love you from your zone where you are watching this and our village. We love you.
Yeah.
And continue supporting my brother. Only Life with Makori, and we really appreciate. I know now his face are actually shining because monetization is there.
Yeah. Yeah, I am remaining with around
70 watch hours.
watch hours. So guys, I really appreciate you.
Like if
Yeah.
today,
If today guys you watch my video very well, maybe by tomorrow I will get monetized.
tell a neighbor.
Tell a friend to tell a friend, a neighbor to tell a neighbor.
Yeah.
Please support Life with Makori. Guys, support the village boys.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are here guys, so we are doing what we can to make this beautiful
Cabin.
Yeah, this cabin beautiful, most beautiful. Yeah. Look at this. It is a mirror now.
Yeah.
You can't go see through.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. Please, if you have not subscribed to I am _Share, please go and check him. Check him out. Love. Yes.
Guys, love is always free.
Take him to 1,000. Guys, we are on the same road with my friend here.
We are on the road of success.
Road of success. We have struggled for long, guys.
Actually, so I believe that
yeah.
Soon we are just going to enjoy the fruits of YouTube.
Yeah.
Guys,
we also want
feel
to
like
feel
when you go to the wall and you tell the wall, I need some little cash.
Yeah.
And the wall just for meat.
Yeah.
For meat.
I need
guys, it's really amazing. We also feel to go there. We have been sick.
Yeah.
Good people. Love is free.
Love is for free, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much, Mr. _Share. So, guys, let us wait for Royal Kim to come and tell us a little bit about what he thinks about what we have done here. Yes, Royal Kim.
Yes, guys. Finally, we finished all the drifting and everything. Now, this is the drifted product. And guys, this is now the first lot we have for the curtains. This is curtain number 1. The cabin can't have only one curtain. This is now pair number 1 that we managed to drift today. There were a lot of mixed colors, and this is the only thing that we loved ourselves. We know the curtain is white, but we chose only this color because at least kinda it blends, the goldish color blends with the goldish varnish. Also, the other color blends with this one. So we thought, let's start with this one, so that as we go on, we get different colors like black, another color. It depends, We love. That's why we have the big draws for the extra curtains, extra beddings, and everything. So this is our step number 1, and thank you, Makori. We've been with me since we started everything until now. So we only have one thing remaining. We realize that the curtains are that hole. It's kind of small. So we get the curtains back to the tailor. We expand that hole, and then we return them.
Yeah.
But so far so good. Bromie, I love it because it's an addition of color in the house. The color had plain colors, white, this brown. But at least with this curtain with some flowers, it's an addition. It's
and maybe they can tell us under the comment section
guys tell
what
us
they think about this.
You can also suggest the other color of the curtain you think you can get. Suggest another color and another one. Then we'll come and put it here. But black will be one of it because of the white wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
And may God bless you so much.
Okay,
guys, please
thank you.
Like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel. Let's support our brother before we get the 100 hours. We monetize it.
So, how do you feel now that we are at this point? How do you feel?
I feel settled because I know after the drawers are done, I have the mattress ready. I can sleep because now the curtains are here. But if I have the solar now, at least I know now the house is, when I even use this local way of, the traditional way of lighting, I can close my curtains and I'm secure, I'm private.
Yeah, it's true. So that's so thank you so much, guys, and this is the work of today. I think we have finished.
Yes, and you can see the curtains from behind. They are manganyu. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so guys, I really want to say thank you so much for the love and support. And if you are in my channel and you have not subscribed to Royal Kim,
please come and check me out.
Go
the Kim is KH-EM Royal Kim, and the Kim is KH-EM.
Yeah. So guys, thank you so much. My family. This is also my family. Real family from the village here. He has been very, very supportive. You have seen so many videos. And he always even share my videos.
So even this one, I'm going to share it on my tab.
So thank you so much. May God bless you guys. We don't have much to do today.
Yeah.
This was our last day of installing this.
Yeah.
I don't know if you liked the kind of the installation
yeah.
and all that. So thank you so much.
Yeah.
May God bless you. And Royal Kim,
Yeah, bro.
what do you think about that?
That one, I think I'm going to leave it that way because you see, after it's uniform, it's uniform after when you look at it.
Yeah.
I told you that the tilted look was being corrupted by this frame.
Okay.
But now because it's covered
Yeah.
in a way, let it just be that way.
Okay.
Yeah.
But now you see, it is it's good.
It's good now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, guys.
Yeah.
I want to say bye bye today.